In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Outlook sign-in QR code. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving on, because the QR code option is found inside the Outlook menu. If Outlook is already open, that's perfect. If not, go ahead and launch it and wait until you can see your main Outlook window clearly. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top area of the screen and click on Help. This section contains extra tools, support options, and useful shortcuts related to your Outlook account and features. If you do not immediately notice it, take a moment to scan the menu bar carefully, since the location can vary slightly depending on your version of Outlook. After you click Help, select Outlook Mobile. This option is used to connect your Outlook account with the mobile app, and it's also where the sign-in QR code can be accessed. When you open this section, Outlook will guide you into the setup process for using your account on a mobile device. At this point, Outlook may ask you to enter your password. This is a normal security step designed to confirm your identity before showing the code. Enter your password carefully and continue. If you make a mistake, just retype it slowly to avoid sign-in issues. Also, make sure you are entering the correct password for the Outlook account you want to use on your phone. Once your password is accepted, the QR code will appear on the screen. This is the code you can scan with your mobile device to sign in to Outlook more quickly. Usually, you would open the Outlook app on your phone and use its QR scanning feature to connect the account, which can save time compared to entering all your sign-in details manually. If the code does not appear right away, give Outlook a few seconds to load it. You can also try closing and reopening the Outlook mobile window if needed. In some cases, the exact menu layout may look a little different, but the overall process is the same. Open Outlook, go to Help, choose Outlook Mobile, enter your password, and then view the QR code. And that's how to find the Outlook sign-in QR code. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to access it without any trouble.